Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with a very beautiful, elegant, and eye-catchy collection of hand embroidery designs for dresses. In this whole entire video collection, you are going to get amazing, trendy, latest, up-to-date, and most demanding articles of hand embroidery that are specifically designed for hand embroidered shirt, kurti, top, and different type of outfit like everyday, like breathable, comfortable, comfy, casual look, like office wear, like school, college, university going looks. All of the different stylized patterns of dressing could be shown, and you can get amazing ideas. But all we want from you is to watch the video to end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, and beautiful ideas of embroidery. All we want is your support, your love, and your continuous following of our channel, our content, and your massive comments in the comment section so that we could get to know what you feel about our content. On my channel, on daily basis, we try a lot to share amazing and beautiful trends that is specifically related to hand embroidery, needlework, thread work, needle art, that are specifically the terms attributed to hand art. So if you really design the ideas into reality by just following these patterns and seeing the designs, then it will be a very, very big and great compliment for us. And if you don't know the art of hand embroidery, then you can use these exact patterns of embroidery along with the exact color combination for machine embroidery as well. The basic beauty of these patterns and styling ideas, along with a very well balanced mixture of thread, colors, patterns, fabric bases, and stitching patterns, give them a more decent and elegant look. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Meet you soon in the new upcoming videos. Until then, take care.